Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in this week's video I did a new set of Flexi Press tips. Here are the Flexi Press tips that I used. I did use stiletto ones but I shortened them, so I'm not sure why I did that. I do have shorter Flexi Press tips but not as short as this. Anyway, so this is the design that I created this week. There is a new product that I was desperate to get my hands on, and I did, and that's what I've used in this video. Some 3 beautiful, I don't know where the other one's gone. Oh, there it is. 3 beautiful new gel polishes. There's a collection of 5 and I ordered 3. The 3 that I wanted the most. I will get the other 2, but eventually. I've ordered quite a lot recently, so I'm trying to tighten the purse strings. Anyway, I will show you how I created this set. So this is the set that I created this week on my nails, guys, with the new gorgeous gel polishes. So to begin with, I just add a layer of base coat to my nail and cure that for 30 seconds. I have already pushed back my cuticles and prepped the nail ready. So with my e-file, I'm just buffing the underside of that nail just to make sure that it adheres properly to my nail. You have to sort of buff it up a little bit. So I'm just going to add a layer of gel strengthener to my nail and a layer of gel strengthener to the underside of the reverse tip. No, sorry, the Flexi Press tip. This is my little torch that I use, give it a flash cure. So I don't cure the strengthener before I apply the tip. They're both uncured on the tip and on my nail. And then I place the nail down. I'm making sure here that there are no bubbles on that nail, because if you've got bubbles, then obviously, you know, you'll have problems. So I give it a flash cure here with my little trusty torch that I have. It's an LED torch. And so I am chopping it down. I use stiletto Flexi Press tips, but I do chop it down because I just fancied shorter nails this week. If you noticed there, I put a layer of non-wipe UV gel top coat to the underside of the nail and I cured that. So the reason for that was it adds a little bit of strength to the nail. And as you can see, I have buffed this nail as well to make sure that the gel polish properly adheres to the nail. So I've got Red Pocket 02. This is the new collection from Miss You Beauty, or one of the new collections, and it is probably my favourite so far. I know I say that about all of them because they're so beautiful, but this just reminds me of those ruby slippers from The Wizard of Oz. Absolutely love this so much. So I'm just applying a coat of this. So you can actually apply a layer of base coat and cure that for 30 seconds before you apply your gel polish, but I didn't really fancy it today. So I've got Red Pocket 05 here. I only have 3 of the Red Pocket collection. They were released this month and I ordered them last week on Friday, a week ago today, and I picked out 3 of the colours that I thought I would love the most, and I really do love these colours the most. They're amazing. So then we've got Red Pocket 01. How amazing is this? It's like a gold with flecks of red in it. Oh, it's just so pretty. It's unbelievable. So I apply a layer of this, then I cure it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Now, I could have done nail art on my nails, but really what I wanted to do is just showcase these colours off because they are really amazing. And I wanted them to be seen in their full glory. So, yeah, so they've just been released, guys. They're brand new. They're amazing and I really love them. And like I said, I wanted Flexi Press tips. I wanted shorter ones, coffin style. Even though I put stiletto nails on, I still wanted coffin shaped I don't know why I did that, but I did. So the Red Pocket collection is on sale at the moment for £13.99 per gel polish plus VAT, or you can get the full collection for £65 plus VAT. And also, obviously, don't forget about the fact that I have a 10% discount code for you all to take full advantage of. So do that. Look at this colour. Is this not amazing? Or what? So I just cure this second coat in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. I do a little bit of nail art on this little finger because I think, you know, it wouldn't be me if I didn't do a little bit of nail art. So with my Nail Vision palette that I've got here, it's like a silicone mat. It's so cool. You can just, you know, experiment with gel polishes on it. I love it. So and then I've got Red Pocket 01, which is obviously the goldy glitter with the flecks of red, my extra fine detail brush, and in my usual favourite style I go for a little bit of ombre. So I start around the cuticle area and I just drag it all the way down to halfway down to the nail, and I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and I love it. I think it's really cute, just to add a little bit of sparkle to that nail. Can't have plain nails. So yeah, and then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and apply this to my nails, and I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Look at that shine. Is that not gorgeous or what, guys? Don't forget, guys, cap those edges. Make sure that the gel polish won't lift off the nails then if you cap those edges. So glossy and beautiful. I absolutely love them. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And check out this collection, this new collection on the Miss You Beauty website. I'll leave links in the description box for you all to check out, along with my discount code. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and the Nail Vision app if you want other videos. I do extra videos that I don't post on here. I don't post anywhere else. I just give you like a little bit of a sneak peek of what they're like. So I do extra videos on the Nail Vision app. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll leave all links to everything that I used in the description box below, and I will see you next time. Take care and stay safe. Bye, guys.